Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Yes!
What's up sa inyo dyan?
Ako po si Pabibo, kasama ko ngayon si...
Bebe.
Yeah, Pagbuntis. How many months are you na, bebe?
7 this week.
7 months! Ang due date ni Shanta ay May 24. May 24 malapit
Pero
na.
sabi nila, 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after daw yun. Kasi
Ay,
first
ganun ba?
baby.
Ate, right? Ang title ng video na to ay Saan namin papalakihin ang anak namin? Alright? Pilipinas or sa Australia? Kung anong mabuti sa Australia, wala dito sa Pilipinas.
Meron din.
Kung ano, hindi. Let me finish. Patapusin mo ako! Kung anong maganda sa Pilipinas, wala sa Australia. So it's like, anong lifestyle ang gusto mo?
We live in a digital age right now.
Yes, we do. Lahat ng bata, addict na sa cellphone, no?
Mm.
Addict na sa iPad, sa mga tablet, no?
Maganda.
Games. Oo nga eh. Mabuti akong anak,
Ah,
bata. Mabuti
really?
akong anak. Yes, nung naging teenager ako, naging pasaway na ako.
Vodka.
No, lahat. Ikaw?
Kaya maganda dito sa Pilipinas, magpalaki ng bata.
Yes, totoo. Pero ikaw, kahit ikaw, pasaway ka din nung teenager ka, no?
Hindi ah. Hindi.
No?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi.
We've decided on the Philippines, alright? Dito namin papalakihin ang baby namin. Kasi nga, it's more fun in the Philippines. Wherever we decide to raise our child, eventually magkaroon sila ng device, di ba? Ng cellphone or tablet or something like that. So, yun yung nakakatakot, yun yung delikado. Kasi pag may cellphone ang bata na may internet connection, na may social media sila, anyone can talk to them, anyone can message them, you don't
Lahat
know.
ng informations nandyan
Oh,
din.
diba?
Baka hindi tama yung binabasa nila.
Totoo. We will install an app on our child's phone called Famisafe. So this video is sponsored by Famisafe, okay? It is a child protection app, basically. It's a child monitoring app. So what you do is you install the Famisafe app on your phone, install it on your child's phone, and then you say they're the child, you're the adult, you're monitoring them. This is Famisafe 3.5. It's been released. Famisafe has been around for a while now. This is an all-new Famisafe. Famisafe 3.5 has been released with a YouTube monitoring feature, okay? So you can monitor things like family violence, drug use. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna install the Famisafe app on Shanta's phone. Ikaw ang bata, ha? Ako yung adult, ha? Okay, so, ito ang cellphone ko. Tingnan nyo. It's so easy to use, like, ang ganda ng design, di ba? Like, halimbawa, ito. Okay, we go to features. Alright, so features. Okay, so we have app blocker, first of all. Okay, so you go to app blocker, you can choose all the apps that you want to block so they can't access them. You can even choose like what time and what day you want to block those apps. Halimbawa, when they go to school, when they go to a party, ganon. Yes. Next up is screen time. You can see like kung gaano sila ka-addict, no? Kung gaano sila ka-addict sa cellphone nila. It's web filter thing where you can block things like adult content. So on Shanta's phone, let's block adult content. Yes, you cannot see adult content na Shanta. You cannot see drug-related content na. Oh, gambling, yan, lahat yun, weapons, all of that, okay? You can even call from the app straight to your child's phone, okay? So for example, I will call you na Shanta. Calling Shanta. Let's call now.
Oh,
Is your phone ringing?
your parent is calling you. Yes, Dad.
So you can call your kids, you can even check the location, check this out, alright? So let's see where Shanta is. Oh, it says she's in the Shangri-La Plaza.
that's
And it
so
even gives me the time. Wow, that's amazing,
Nasa
right?
mall pala ako ngayon.
Yes, diba? It's even got a real-time location. Wow, look, so it even shows how charged your cell phone is.
Oh my
Is
gosh.
it Tama?
Oh.
Tama! You can even set geo-fences, alright? So if your child walks outside a certain area, it will send you an alert saying, hey, your child went outside the safe location. So if we did like a circle around Mandaluyong, and you go outside Mandaluyong, it will be like, meh, 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 alert. It has YouTube content detection. You detect inappropriate YouTube video titles, descriptions, and things like that. You even receive keyword alerts from, dodgy keywords and things like that. It'll send you an alert. So, Famisafe is really nice. It's an awesome app because it's gonna help us keep an eye on our child. You know
Tsaka
what
sa
they're doing.
boyfriend mo.
But ngayon, we have Famisafe. So kahit 12 or 13 years old, they can have cell phone and we can limit how much they use the cell phone and what they're looking at and who's talking to them, so we can keep them safe from, you know, things like child predators and, you know, stuff like that. You can connect, detect, and alert with this new YouTube monitoring app, which is great. Now, if you want to download this app, check the link in the description below. We have a 20% coupon code for you, alright? Download that now kung may anak po kayo at may pakialam kayo sa buhay ng anak nyo, sa ginagawa nila. Download Famisafe now. But we've already done it on Shanta's phone. So I can monitor Shanta. Gusto namin dito sa Pilipinas kasi masaya ang lahat. Masaya, super masaya. And, you know, the child will appreciate what they have more. They'll be more grateful for what they have.
Akala nila, ano sila, poor sila, pero hindi naman pala, di ba? Kagaya sa first world country, kaya madaming suicide.
Yes.
Kasi hindi nila nakikita yung blessings nila. Pag nasa third world country ka, makikita mo syempre yung iba-ibang level ng pamumuhay.
At saka, dito sa Pilipinas, it's cool to do well in school. Dun sa amin, it's not cool to do well in school. You get called names like a dork, a nerd, ganon, things like that, and it's like uncool. What's cool in Australia is, you know, when you're drinking,
Siga-siga ka.
you know, when you're masiga. But dito sa Pilipinas, if you're siga, you're kind of like a loser because you don't do well in school, diba? So that kind of gives kids a push to do well in school because that's what's cool. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. Make sure you check out the Famisafe app and we will see you sa sunod na video ng Tuwanta. Ayun. Alright. Bye for now, guys.